Hey guys, this is Sophia, and today we're going to be learning how to make super quick and easy gourmet drinks for parties. Let's get started. Okay, so in this video, when I'm making the drinks, I'm going to be making 4 different kinds of drinks, so I have many ingredients. Not all of the drinks take all of the ingredients, so you may not need as many ingredients as I have, depending on which drink you choose. So I'm going to need a cutting board, some knives, Gatorade, some fizzy water. I just have some apple, orange juice, a cup, cherries, blueberries, and cucumbers. Let's get moving to the first drink. So our first drink is probably the most simple. You just need orange juice, bubbly water, and a cup. So I'm just going to pour some orange juice in here. And you want to have less bubbly water than orange juice, or it doesn't taste like what you want it to. So I have my bubbly water, and I'm just going to pour in a little bit. You kind of want to taste it to see if it's the good amount of fizz that you want. Some people that you may be having over may not like a bunch of fizz, so you just want to taste it every once in a while and just make sure that it's the kind you want. That is so delicious, and it's super easy to get. I like it where you kind of start to get a little bit of white at the top and bubbly, but not too much, or then the bubbly water overpowers the orange juice and it does not get what you want. Ready to drink number 2. Okay, so for drink number 2, you're going to need whatever kind of Gatorade you would like, some bubbly water, a cup, and some blueberries. So this one, I'm just going in order of easiest to make to the most complicated. So I'm going to get my Gatorade and just pour in a little bit. Just think about how much you want and how much you're willing to give out. And then I'm going to add my bubbly water. And again, like the first drink, you want to taste it every once in a while to make sure it's the right taste you want. I'm going to add more bubbly water because I'm not really getting the strong taste of it. So here we go. It's just like it's already made a drink. And then I have some fresh blueberries here, and I'm just going to add them in. Some may float, some will sink to the bottom. And it's just a fun little surprise you can have at the end of your drink. And it's also just a really pretty drink too. It tastes good and it's a nice decoration, sort of. On to drink number 3. So for this next one, I'm going to suggest that you have an adult help you because there is some cutting in this video and this drink, so I don't want you to cut yourself. Again, you gotta think about your base, and my base is just gonna be Gatorade. I have nothing else mixed in it. It's just a really fun flavor that you really don't have to add things into it. Okay, then I'm gonna add my blueberries. So over here, I'm going to move this to the side. I'm just going to cut some blueberries into like fourths. And remember, watch your fingers so you don't cut yourself on accident. And I really suggest that you do have this with a parent's help. Just depends. Okay, so I finished cutting my blueberries. It just depends on how much you're making of the drink, so the amount of the blueberry alters. And for the cherries, you're only going to need about 2. You're going to pick off the stems and just cut off the sides like an apple. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut them into rectangles and then into rectangles and squares. And I'm going to do that to probably only half because I won't be needing a ton of cherries, an equal amount of blueberries and cherries. I'm just going to put that in my blueberry pile. Okay, I ended up not needing to use all of these cherries, so I'm just going to set them to the side. And I'm just going to take my blueberries and cherries in the middle and just kind of mix them together with my knife. I may end up having to put more blueberries in there just to even out the balance. But it's actually looking like I won't need to do that. So I'm going to take my Gatorade again, and I'm just going to start with half of the filling and go ahead and put that in the drink, maybe a little bit more. Again, these drinks look very beautiful, so along with good tasting, they're a very good sight for your eyes. Now I'm going to take another cherry, and how I'm going to do this is I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with the filling. I'm going to cut off the sides, and then I'm going to cut a little slit halfway through the cherry so it opens like this. And I'm just going to slide it right onto the cup so it sticks, and I'm going to do that with the other side too. Another slit, break it, and stick it on the cup. That also makes a very beautiful sight. A lot of times people will stick strawberries or pineapple on the sides of the cups, and you can do that with your drink too. Now last, but definitely not least, drink number 4. Now we are on our last drink, our 4th one. And again, I recommend some parent help because we will be using knives in this drink. So I'm going to start by just cutting the end off of my cucumber and then get about 3 slices of cucumber and start cutting these mini rectangles of cucumber and slice them in 3s into these little squares with all of your 3 pieces. Okay, I have all of my cucumber chopped, and just like the cherry and blueberries, I probably won't be needing to use all of my cucumber, but you just want to be safe. And then I'm going to take my cherry and do the same thing as the blueberries and cut off the sides like an apple. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the cucumber and slice them into the little blocks. Okay, now I have an even amount of cherries and cucumbers, and I'm just going to mix them up in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to get my cup and pour my Gatorade. I really like the ones with Gatorade because a lot of people probably don't expect to have a drink that just has basically fruit punch in it. That seems like a very fancy thing. I'm just going to add in my filling. Well, it looks like here the cucumbers float and the cherries sink. That's interesting. Try mixing it up a little bit to see what happens. That's a cool thing. I never knew that. I'm just going to slice one more cucumber and do another slit up the top. Stick it on my cup. And then I'm going to get a cherry and do the same thing. Slit in the middle, slit in the middle. One side, other side, and that's your last gourmet drink. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.